Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Script. Today, we're diving into the basics of Python by learning about variables and data types. Whether you're just getting started with Python or looking to refresh your knowledge, understanding these concepts is fundamental for building programs in Python. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create variables and work with different data types in Python. Let's get started. First, let's talk about variables. In Python, a variable is a container for storing information. Think of it like a box where you can keep data, such as numbers, text, or even complex data structures. Creating a variable in Python is simple. You just use the equals sign to assign a value. For example, write name equals Python between inverted comma age equals 23 is underscore student equals true. In these examples, we have variables name, age, and is underscore student. Notice how we didn't have to declare the type of the variable. That's because Python is dynamically typed, meaning it automatically understands the type based on the value. Now, let's dive into Python's data types. Python supports different data types, and knowing them is essential for effective programming. Here are some of the basic ones. Strings, used for text. Example, name equals Python. Integers, whole numbers without a decimal number system. Example, age equals 23. Floats, numbers with decimals. Example, price equals 19.99. Booleans, represent true or false values. Example, is underscore student equals true. These data types allow Python to handle different kinds of information, and you can easily change the value of a variable to a different type. When naming variables in Python, there are a few rules to follow. Must start with a letter or an underscore. Can only contain letters, numbers, and underscores. Cannot start with a number and are case sensitive. Here's a quick example. Following these rules ensures that your code is clean and avoids errors. In Python, you can check a variable's type using the type function. This is helpful when you want to know what kind of data you're working with, especially when debugging. Let's see how it works. Using type, we can confirm the type of data stored in our variables, making our code more reliable and easier to understand. Let's see this practically. And that's it for our overview of Python variables and data types. I hope this helped you understand how Python handles and stores different kinds of information. Don't forget to practice by creating your own variables and experimenting with different data types. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Python tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.